What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So yeah, last couple of videos, I know we said stuff, we talked about a few things and everything, but you know what, I love doing this. I've been itching to make a video and get back to work and stuff. I really enjoy doing YouTube, and it's gonna be hard for me to put it down. So I'm still gonna upload as much as I can. Definitely not as much as I would like to, but definitely gonna post more often. And we got some exciting news, some big news for me and my family and stuff, but we'll make a video on that here soon. But for now, as you guys saw in the previous clips, we pulled the valve cover off of the daily. As you guys can see, this thing looks horrible. You guys know how much I love to use wrinkle black, so time for some OEM Plus. We're going to strip the paint off this, clean it all up nice, and redo this. So let's get to it. Alright, I know you guys saw in that little intro, VC valve broke. Very common, happens a lot. We'll get another one. Honestly, I'll probably just take the one off the turbo car. And we'll get another one for it later. But before we get to doing anything, we gotta clean this thing. So let's go ahead and spray it all down. Alright, so as you guys saw, brake clean, and I just went around with sandpaper or Scotch-Brite real quick. That's not how we're going to be stripping this. I just wanted to get some of the most of the loose stuff off of it. But we're going to be using is paint poly remover. I'm going to gel this on here, let it sit, and strip it up. I'm using a toothbrush so you can get inside all the little cracks and stuff. Works greatly. And then you can just dip the toothbrush in and do what you got to do. Helps getting all the little crevices and stuff. Alright guys, so I got stuff on there pretty thick. I'm going to let it sit here for 15-20 minutes or so. And we'll come back, check on it, and add more if we need to. Alright guys, so it's been sitting for around 20 minutes or so. Go ahead and see how much of it comes off. It looks like most of it's going to come off, which is awesome. I'm not using this to completely remove it, I'm just checking certain areas to see. But I think for the most part all of it's going to come off, as you can see, which is great. Let's go ahead and see if we can get everything off of it. Alright guys, so I was doing just one coat of that on there. Got it all pretty good. And I'll tell you what, for me, that's more than good enough for what we're doing, because we're not changing the color, we're just going to wrinkle black it. So let's get some heat in this baby. Guys, look at that. Sheesh, it looks good. So I'm done putting the heat in it. I'm gonna let it sit for 20 or 30 more minutes and we'll check back in. But it's looking amazing so far. And then you know we gotta go ahead and touch this up here. We can't leave it all wrinkle black. We gotta sand all this here down. Alright guys, as you can see, the valve cover looks amazing. But what we gotta do now, we gotta sand this stuff here down. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so what I got here is some 1000 grit sandpaper that I just taped to a paint cap for a spray can. So it's something flat, and with that we're gonna go ahead and sand this here. So let's see what happens. There it is, y'all. Looking good. This is just dust on there, but now we get this installed. Alright guys, look at that. Tell me that doesn't look way better. Sheesh. Heck yeah. Now let's start her up. Alright, let's start this baby up. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. And I did put a new PC valve on there from the red car, so we're good. I gotta fix the exhaust leak still and do the valve lash, and that's later. But yeah, with that being said, car's running, driving, valve cover looks amazing. Full JDM spec now, OEM plus, and that's how we're gonna keep doing things, guys. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out and God bless.